Today, I'm using one specific fish, but the technique is universal, and that's what really matters here. You can use any firm fish for this recipe. Today, I'm using Rohu fish, also known as Rohu carp, scientifically called Labeo rohita. It's a freshwater fish commonly used in South Asian cooking, especially in Indian, Pakistani, and Bangladeshi kitchens. I chose it today because when Rohu is cooked correctly, the meat turns velvety, juicy, and deeply flavorful, even though it has bones. I'm using 750 grams of fish. First, wash the fish thoroughly, at least 3 to 4 times with plain water. This removes surface impurities and any strong raw smell. You can feel the fine bones when you gently press it, which is completely normal for this type of fish. Now comes a step that makes a huge difference, and many people skip it. Place the fish in a bowl and add enough water so the pieces are fully submerged. Now this water isn't plain. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt to it. The brine helps the fish absorb seasoning evenly and keeps the meat juicy once it's cooked. If you skip this and marinate directly, the outside flavors well, but the inside stays dull. After 15 minutes, drain the water completely and pat the fish dry with a kitchen towel. Now let's make the marinade. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic paste. Some people skip garlic and ginger to enjoy the natural aroma of the fish. That's perfectly fine. 1/2 teaspoon black salt. A pinch of regular salt. 1/2 teaspoon carom seeds. This is the key ingredient. It boosts flavor and also helps with digestion. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Nothing complicated, these are everyday pantry ingredients. Mix everything well. Now gently massage the fish for about 1 minute, coating all sides evenly. Be careful of the bones, take your time here. You don't need to rest this marinade for long. The soaking step earlier already did most of the work. At this stage, you can cook it immediately or freeze it for up to 2-3 months in an airtight container. Now let's fry. Heat 5 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan on medium heat. You can also use mustard oil or a neutral oil. Olive oil works well for flavor here. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the fish pieces into the pan. Important step, do not touch the fish. Keep the flame medium to low and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes on one side. If you flip too early, the fish can break. This recipe is not meant to be crunchy. This is a pan-fried fish with a light golden crust and a juicy inside, and that's intentional. After about 7 minutes, gently flip the fish. Look at that color, light golden, clean and even. That's exactly what you want. Cook the other side for another 5 to 7 minutes. And that's it. Your pan-fried fish is ready, tender, flavorful, and perfectly cooked. For plating, I'm adding lemon slices. I quickly fry them in the same oil on high heat. This step is optional, but it adds a beautiful restaurant-style finish. I spoon a little of the flavored oil over the fish to keep it moist. Before eating, squeeze fresh lemon on top. Look at the meat, soft, juicy, and seasoned all the way through. No dryness, no bland bites. This kind of fish is a winter staple in many homes, simple, nourishing, and deeply satisfying. If you're watching from outside South Asia, tell me in the comments, what fish do you usually pan fry at home? I'll see you in another recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.